up everyone? Hope you all are doing good. Today is September 24th, Good Friday evening, and as you see, I have my backpack ready. So that means I am heading out to yet another adventure. I'll be not mentioning where I'm going. I will show that to you in the form of cinematic shots. And I have a guest along with me for the first time ever giving his appearance in my channel. He is my childhood friend. We know each other from past 15 years. My brother. Say hi, bro.
Hi bros,
Ask them to subscribe.
please subscribe, the best channel coming out.
He has a politician smile as well.
Nice.
So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe and hit on the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload a video.
ಸರಿ ನಾವು ವಿಧಾನಸೌಧ ಹತ್ರ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ.
So we have come to our boarding point, Majestic. It's near Shantala Silk and Saris. And this is our Sandy boy, my usual trekking partner, my brother. Oh Sandy, what's up? Today is September 24th. It's RCB versus CSK match. And you see I'm in red and he's in yellow. He's a CSK supporter and I'm a RCB supporter. Bro, who's gonna win? Shut up, I know the answer. RCB is going to win. Sandy, in 3, 2, 1.
ಈ ಸಾಲ ಕಪ್ ನಮ್ದೆ.
Isala Cup, namde. We have crossed Tumkur Highway toll gate. Right now we have stopped here for puja. So whenever we come out with Karnataka Darshana team, we make sure to stop and perform a small puja before we head out. Come on Sandy. ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಪವರ್ ಇದೆ ಹುಡುಗನಿಗೆ. So we have performed the puja, ready to head out. It is going to be an exciting trip, and still I'm not telling you where we are going. I think most probably you would have guessed we are heading towards the Western Ghats since we are on the Tumkur Highway. So catch you guys soon.
Time ಆಯ್ತು.
We stopped here to have dinner. Nobody can hear you, Sandy. You should be louder. We have stopped here to have dinner. You tell.
Loud ಆಗಿ ಮಾತಾಡೋ.
Hey, Shantam Papam. So we have stopped here at Shuruchi.
Oh, it's glowing candles bro, literally.
Suruchi Vegetarian Restaurant for dinner. The time is 9:49. We were having some fun dancing in the bus, so we are all tired of it, so a quick refresher is necessary. So guys, how was the food?
It was really sad, not at all good. Yeah.
When we asked for extra gravy, he said it's limited. So bad service.
Hope we get
Don't
chicken.
cry, Sandy. It's okay.
Oh my god.
Good morning. Hey guys, wishing you all a good morning from a beautiful place called Kudremukha. So this is the second time that I'm coming here in less than 2 months. Previously when I came it was for a bike ride, and this time we are going to trek to the second highest peak in Karnataka, which is Kudremukha mountain peak. So it's a bright sunny morning actually, but we can't pretty much predict the weather in the Western Ghats, so we never know when it will start raining and when it will be sunny. So yes, really excited for the day. Hope you guys enjoy the vlog. Do subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and hit on the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a video. ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ಹಿಂದೆ. ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಈಗ ನೀವು ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಫೋಟೋ ಹೋಗಿ ನೀನು ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬಾಬ್ರು
ಅಲ್ಲ
ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ಜಾರ್ತದೆ ನೋಡ್ಕ. ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡು.
So we have reached the foothills of Kudremukha. From here we'll be continuing our trek. We came till here in this Mahindra pickup truck. It was a really nice ride. As you saw, it was difficult and we met with an accident as well. How was the Jeep ride experience?
It was really difficult trial. I mean, we have never seen such kind of.
I am counting how many times you told really. 1, 2, 3, 10, 15 times you told.
You are good at counting, bro.
I know, Sandy. Hey Apo, how was the Jeep ride, bro?
Bumpy, bro.
So Vinay is telling forest dato tanka bega banni. Nothing but doggy. Even are you coming with us? Tell hi.
Take your GoPro.
This is the Kudremukh checkpost. We'll have to give our names and head count, and they also check our bags as well if we are carrying any plastic bottles or anything that is plastic. Guys, I know it's going to be tough, but let us all enjoy the trek. डर के आगे जीत है. ಅದೇನು ಒಂದು ದಿವಸಕ್ಕೆ 200 ಜನನಾ ಸರ್ ಬಿಡೋದು?
ಹೌದು. ಫಸ್ಟು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಬಿಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು, 500 ಜನವರೆಗೂ ಬಿಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಈಗೆಲ್ಲ ರೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಯಾಕೆ
ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಿರಿಕಿರಿ ಆಗಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ರೋಡೆಲ್ಲ ಹಾಳಾಗಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ.
ಹೌದಾ?
ಊರವರೆಲ್ಲ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ
ಸೊ 200 ಪರ್ ಡೇ.
ಹಾಂ ಹೌದು.
ವೀಕ್ ಡೇಸು ಬರ್ಬೋದಾ?
ವೀಕ್ ಡೇಸೇ ಇತ್ತು.
ವೀಕ್ ಡೇಸ್ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಏನಲ್ವಾ?
ಹಾಂ ಕಮ್ಮಿ
So guys, actually there was a bit of a mess up near the check post due to some counting issues. So as per the new rules in Kudremukh, they allow only 200 people to climb the mountain per day. So there was some miscalculations that had happened near the check post where we lost our team and they have gone in the front, where we ended up behind in the check post. So we are almost like 1 hour late, and I don't know where rest of the team is, and we hired one more guide to guide us, or else the forest officials won't allow us without a guide. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರೇನು ಸರ್?
ಸುರೇಂದ್ರ ಅಂತೇಳಿ.
ಸುರೇಂದ್ರ. ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋರೇನಾ ಕುದುರೆಮುಖದಲ್ಲಿ?
ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಲೋಕಲ್.
ಓಕೆ. ಎಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಗೈಡಾಗಿ?
ಒಂದು 4-5 ವರ್ಷ.
ಓಕೆ. ಮಳೆ ಕಮ್ಮಿನಾ ಈ ಸಲ?
ಮಳೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಇತ್ತು, ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಒಂದು 2 ತಿಂಗಳಿತ್ತು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ.
ಓಕೆ.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಮ್ಮಿ.
ಸೊ ಮಳೆ ಇದ್ದಾಗೂ ಟ್ರೆಕ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಡೀತಾ ಇರುತ್ತಾ?
ಹಾಂ ಹೌದು, ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ. ತುಂಬ ಮಳೆ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಕಷ್ಟ, ಬಿಡಲ್ಲ.
ಓಕೆ.
ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ನೀರು ತುಂಬ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ.
ಹಾಂ.
ಸಾವನ್ನಲ್ಲೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ.
ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ಲೀಚಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಇದೆಯಾ ಏನು?
ಹೌದು,
ಬರೀ ಮಳೆಗೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ?
ಹೌದು, ಮಳೆ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಂ ಸರಿ.
ನಿಮಗೆ ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರಾ ಟ್ರೆಕ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಗೈಡ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ?
ಹೌದು, ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ.
ಓಕೆ. ಸರ್ಟಿಫಿಕೇಟ್ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರಾ ನಿಮಗೆ?
ಹಾಂ ಹೌದು, ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ.
ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ even the guides needs to take a certification where they'll be trained. ಸರ್ ಇದು ಕುದುರೆಮುಖ ಅಂತ ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದ ಹೆಸರು?
ಕುದುರೆಮುಖ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಹಿಂದೆ ರಾಜರ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಆಳ್ವಿಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಂತೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಕುದುರೆಮುಖ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ನೀವು ಕುದುರೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ರಾ?
ಕುದುರೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಓಡಾಡ್ತಿದ್ವಿ.
ಅದೇನು ಬೆಟ್ಟ ಕುದುರೆ ಮುಖ ಥರ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೌದಾ?
ಅದು ಶೇಪು ಕೆಳಗಡೆಯಿಂದ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ಕುದುರೆ ಥರನೇ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ.
Okay. There's this nice looking tree here. We'll quickly take some rest for 5 minutes. Our approved bhai is feeling a bit tired. Eat well, travel often. Nice quote, bro. So our guide was telling that last week they spotted a leopard's footprint on the trail. So there are a lot of wild animals here. So that is why it is better to go with a trekking guide rather than coming alone. And there might be deviations like this one. You see a path there and here. So you would never know like which path to take unless you're in a group. So it's better to go with a guide. And right now I'm viewing a very beautiful landscape. This is like those Windows background that you get in the desktop and laptops. So some quick travel tips to you guys. If you are coming to Kudremukh, please do not carry any plastic items with you. It may be a chocolate wrapper as well. You are not allowed to carry, and you have to carry bottles like this and not plastic bottles. They'll just get hold of it and they'll not give it back to you in the check post. If you want to carry chocolates or any energy bar, just carry it in a steel box, open the wrapper and you can carry it. This is a measure to like keep the environment clean so that people don't litter. So if you see, most of the beaches that we have here in India are almost like everything, all the beaches are dirty, right? It is just because of plastics, the amount of plastics that are thrown there. So these measures that they have here in place is really necessary. And if you see, the entire trail here is plastic free. There is not one plastic item that we are able to see. So yes, it's really a good initiative by the forest department. Guys, this is really beautiful. There is a river that is flowing there. I don't know if the GoPro is able to capture, but it looks amazing from here. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತದ ಸಂಡಿ? ಹೇಳಿ, ನೀವು ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ರಲ್ಲ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ ಬಿಡಿ. ಓ ಯಾ, ಸಿ. Oh shit, I got that on camera, bro. Cheese.
Politician.
So Apro fell down now, made his first bony.
Okay, I'm gonna take this way.
Okay, Sandy is taking the easy way around.
No, I got extra cushioning for my bum.
Bro, this is really slippery, this rock.
Yeah. Should have taken the easiest way, bro.
It's okay, Sandy. Life is an adventure. We have no fun without it.
Yeah, if you don't fall, you don't rise.
Yeah,
ವಾವ್,
exactly.
ಮಳೆ ಇತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಆ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ
ನೀರು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇತ್ತಾ?
So these ropes are tied for times when it is raining. I guess this river will be over flooding, so you'll have to catch hold of this rope and then cross the river. So since there are no rains for a week now, as the guy told us, the water is a bit shallow. Okay, Sandy also wants the same video.
ಇದ್ಬೇಡ, ನನ್ನ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ತಗೋ.
Okay, he's giving me his mobile phone to capture. He feels his phone is more better than GoPro.
I do not have space to download when you share it.
Photo na video na?
ಎರಡು.
Soap kododa Sandy?
ಕೊಡು ಮಗ.
Sandy uses Dove soap. ಅದೇ ಥರ ಫುಲ್ ಡವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
ಡೌ 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 ದುನಿಯಾ ಕಣ.
I should actually hire some professional photographers
Okay, I'm putting it
and
down
trek
now.
along with me
I'm leaving it now, yeah.
and make videos like how Bear Grylls make. Adela ಹೆಸರು ಒಂದು Bear Grylls. Yeah. So if you find obstacles like this is how you have to cross. Don't fall
Switch off the GoPro!
like that. And you have to continue ahead.
The easiest way to come also is this.
And do the typo style. Typo style. Hey, not that, bro.
ಸರ್ ಫುಲ್ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಆಗಿ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ ನೀವು ಛತ್ರಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡು. Look at this guy. Amazing it is.
ಅದು ಹಾಟ್ ಸ್ಟೇಪ್ ಇದೆ ಇವ್ರೆ, ಅದು ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್. ಅದು ಮಣ್ಣು ನೀರೆಲ್ಲ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕೊಚ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದು
Landslide ಆಗಿರೋದಾ? Okay. So if you see that guys, it's of the form of a heart shape. So guys, the trek is a bit tougher than what we expected. It's too sunny and we are all dehydrated. I'm like getting cramps. Feels so good. That waterfall was like finding a oasis in a desert. Really refreshing it was. It's too sunny, that is the problem, or else we wouldn't have dehydrated so much. I finally see the peak. That is the peak of Kudremukha, the second highest in Karnataka. Due to less physical activities as of late, getting too many cramps in my leg. I've already sat down like 2 times because of very bad cramp. So guys, finally made it to the peak of Yad Sandy. Kudremukha.
ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ
I
ಇದೆ.
forgotten anything, it's everything. ನಂಗೆ ಸರಿಗೆ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. Full tired. That is why you should do some work, do some jogging, cycling in the morning.
Like
ಮನೇಲಿ
Sandy.
ಇದ್ಕೊಂಡು
Say like
work from
Sandy.
home is really spoiled us. I've become a potato. So finally made it to the peak. I'm having my puliyogre.
ಲೇಟಾಗಿ ಹೊರತು ನೀವೇ ಮುಂಚೆ ಬಂದ್ರೆ
ಅಲ್ವಾ?
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬ್ಯಾಚ್ ಎಲ್ಲೇ
See, you heard that guys? We started late, but we came soon. Hey guys, it's day 2 of our trip. This is the homestay that we stayed in. It's called Ballal Homestay, and there are quite few homestays on this main road. How was the trip yesterday? Your trek to the peak?
He's still in the same hangover.
One suggestion is you guys have to be physically fit when you go for hiking. It's my personal experience, what I experienced yesterday. Yeah. Cheers.
Seriously, it's like you have to be physically fit. I was not into physical activities as of late for like 5 to 6 months, and when I went to Kumara Parvata, I was doing cycling and going for walk and all, so I was like physically active, and Kumara Parvata was like not that difficult as this one I felt. But if you consider Kumara Parvata is 3 times more tougher than Kudremukha. Sandy, so how was your experience?
It was good. Yes, it was tiring. We didn't.
Sandy, I'm asking you.
Acha, show your middle finger.
Okay, Sandy, sorry, jokes apart.
Fuck you.
Hey,
Sandy, what? Don't.
Huh.
He's our boy only. So you can
yeah, Sandy, don't. Hey, Sandy, please, for the audience at least, Sandy. Sorry, guys, convincing Sandy to speak something.
Okay, it was good. We thought it
Sandy,
was
go away.
Hey, okay, Sandy. Come on, Sandy. Final.
Hey, nah, I'm not.
Hey, matadi, Sandy. Parala, matadi, bega.
Done. I'm done.
Manmitla kalsindi.
That's what she said.
I didn't climb that. I didn't do the trek at all yesterday.
You can see Vinay. That is how he peeps into girls' PG as well.
Oh, okay. The trek was good, and we thought it will not be so much.
Oh. I seriously have some mad ass friends.
He's using profanity, macha.
Okay. Come, let me we'll talk about this. How was your experience? How was the trek?
Approve, come this side, macha.
Sure.
I don't believe you.
Sandy never had an experience.
So how was it, Sandy?
Okay, it was a good trek, but yes, it was difficult. It was tiring, and we were overconfident because we did KP and thinking Kumara Parvata will not be so much difficult, but yes, it was difficult.
It is Kudremukha.
Sorry, Kudremukha is also a kind of difficult.
No, it is like easy comparatively.
Compared to yes,
The
It
trial
is easy, but then
we were overconfident.
yeah, overconfident, and we were not that physically fit as well.
That was also there. Very first thing, whenever you're doing trek, please hydrate yourself, eat food, and don't think that you can carry all your energy bars and all. Forest people will not allow you that. So be prepared, have food, be hydrated, drink lots of water.
How much would you rate this in the scale
Okay.
of 1 to 10 in terms of difficulty of the trek?
Out of 10, I can say 7.
Okay, how much would you rate Kumara Parvata?
Kumara Parvata, out of 10, I should say 15.
Yeah, that was like really difficult. It was like 3 to 4 times more difficult than Kudremukha.
More than that, I should say. Not just 3 to 4 times.
KP was like full vertical climb. Here at least it was like ups and downs in the mountain.
You had flat
Very
road.
few places you will see vertical climbs. Apart from that, it was like quite normal. Guys, how was your experience? Huh?
He's absolutely right.
Okay, how was your experience? Like, did you guys enjoy the trek?
Amazing place actually.
So, did you guys get tired or any knee pain or leg pain?
Everything is vanished now.
Having pain, but now
If you go and put your food there, everything get vanished now.
How much would you guys rate it in the scale of 1 to 10 in terms of difficulty of the trek? 10 on 10.
No, difficulty na. Difficulty is 10 times.
Beginners.
Beginners or people not doing trekking.
Memories, enjoyment, everything is also 10 by 10.
Now, the place is very nice, and I especially like the streams on the way, crossing
Yeah.
the streams. And
There are a lot many streams that we came across.
like 7-8 streams are
Yeah.
there. So that is very good. The only issue is the distance is too much for a day.
Yeah.
So if you are a beginner and you are not into trekking too much,
Experienced people, it is not a big issue. If people are usually traveling, trekking means it's not a big issue. It's very easy to
So what I felt was if there was a base camp where we can pitch a tent and sleep there for a night.
yeah, one way it's close to like 11-13 kilometers, 11 to 13 kilometers. If we had gone there, camping, we had camped there for a night and come back the next day, it should have been wonderful. But
Yeah.
if we had to go and come back in a day, it is little time.
Yeah, for his point, I would like to add, before coming here,
have a 15 days walk, complete walk, then come here. You will be comfortable here actually.
I was telling the same thing.
Don't think you are fit enough to do this.
Yeah, correct. At least
Take some
15 days.
proper protein, do some leg exercises, and then.
And one more thing, we were lucky it didn't rain, or else it would have been even more difficult, and the trail would
Scenery
be
is absolutely
leeches.
amazing.
Yeah,
Just amazing place actually.
yeah.
On the place.
Yeah, place is amazing. Just that you need to be prepared to do the trek.
Finally, you have missed the starting. Your tickets is missed for you.
Yeah, for me, correct. All right, thank you guys. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot.
Clouds are stirring up the sky. I was always in denial of what I saw right in.
Subscribe
Subscribe
to channel.
to channel.
Yes, guys, please do subscribe to the channel.